option. So as you see in my hand, I have a smart control device which was wired on the other gate which we have here, so it was pre-wired. So now I just want to install these on this gate, because that gate is dead. So I hope I will be quick enough so that you could see, but I'll also explain what I'm installing. So as you see that in this control board we have this long connection bar which is too long. You have to remove this one for it to be quick. So then I have to remove this connector block here. So I'll be connecting this one on trig and common. So as you see here is trig and common, and on the side it's normally open and common. So these are the power supply. So it says 732 volts, and on top it says AC or DC, but it doesn't specify whether this is negative or positive. So meaning I can connect anyhow I want. So I'll be connecting this one here on the battery side. Oh, my screwdriver is fucked. So let me go and try and get another screwdriver, because this one I cannot. You see, being lazy of going to the house get a screwdriver. Now I've just filed the screwdriver. Now hopefully it will work just fine. Okay, I'm back. I've just tried to find the screwdriver, so hopefully it will work. Fits in just perfectly. So you see. Will the wire go in here just fine or not? I just blew a fuse here. So let's get started. Positive to the device. That's how this device still works, because it's been off for too long. I'll show you just now. Oh, this one is loose.
I'm telling you. I used to make fire every fucking day.
Oh, so we don't have power this side, so hence the control is now off because we don't have electricity. It should be flashing now. Oh, it's flashing there. So this is flash here, you see? But the battery is flat now. I cannot remove the gate. Now you can see. I hope you've seen enough for you to easy install it on your own, but it works.